Hi besties, join me. Let's make the healthiest salad on the internet today. So for this recipe, we will need Irish potatoes, avocado, carrots, apple, cucumber, Chia Seed, your pepper, your cayenne pepper. You can use as many ingredients as you want to. Okay, you're going to start by peeling your potatoes. You wash your potatoes, you peel it, and then you add your cayenne pepper and your salt. That's for taste, okay? After you have added the salt and the cayenne pepper, you make sure you mix it very well. Make sure it's well mixed. Then you place your pan on fire, on your stove, and then you pour in the potatoes. Okay, you allow it to fry to golden brown. Yes, fry to golden brown. Okay, and then you take it out of the fire when you're sure it's well cooked and well fried. You take it out of the fire, you scoop it out of the fire. Okay, out of the oil rather. You can see our potato is ready. Our potato is super ready. I love it this way. It wasn't burnt. Everything is just okay. You can see other ingredients that we'll be needing. They are all ready. I was able to, peel and slice the cucumber and the apple. Then I grated the carrot. Here I am trying to, open the avocado. Don't forget, we'll be using this avocado as our cream. Like you use mayonnaise. I'm not going to use mayonnaise. I'm actually going to use the avocado to mix, the other items. This is the healthiest way to eat your salad, okay? Healthiest way to eat your salad, okay? So you can see I'm taking out the avocado. When I'm done taking it out, I'm going to mash it. I mashed it into a puree form. Yes, just for us to get, our cream. So after I took it out, I took everything out, I mashed it. I smashed. Is it smashed or mashed it into puree form? And then I added all the ingredients. Look at the avocado. You can use more than this, so I have two, so I had to just use one, and you can see the one is plenty. So I added cayenne pepper. I like it a little spicy, not too spicy but moderately spicy. So I mixed everything together. I make sure everything is well mixed, and then I started adding I added the potato first. Irish fried potato. I added it first, okay, and then I added the grated carrot, cucumber, and apple. This is the healthiest way to eat your salad. Guys, this tasted so great. I just hope you'll be trying this, okay? So you can see I'm mixing. I'm trying to mix everything, together for it to combine to give me that creamy, yummy thirst. So it's all mixed right now. I'm trying to make sure that everything is well mixed. Guys, if you're working on your weight, if you're trying to cut down on your weight, you need this. You can add, you can add your chicken, you can add your egg, you can add fish, you can add whatever you wanted to add. I was gonna eat this with gizzard. Here I'm trying to add Chia Seed. You add Chia Seed. Okay, I was gonna eat this with gizzard, but because it was on the fridge, I actually forgot to bring it out, so I had to eat it like that. So for the past 3 months, I stopped using mayonnaise in my salad. Okay, what I use now is avocado, and it's been awesome. Okay, you can see everything is ready. I'm trying to pour it in the plate. My dear besties, look, I would really want you guys to try this out. Okay, and let me know if you'll be trying this okay? If you'll be trying it, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to tell me the city you are viewing this video from, okay, so I can give you a shout out. Okay, guys, this is the healthiest and the best way you can enjoy your salad. You can add other ingredients. You can add your bell pepper, your green pea, your watermelon, whatever fruit or veggie you want to add, you're free to add. Okay, this is what I have in the house. Okay, these are leftovers in the house, so I just have to make use of them. Please and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Ciao.